you like to
I'm
welcome?
starting. Yes, ma'am, I'll do the
Yeah.
recording.
Okay, good. Thank you.
So I have started the recording. Happy evening to one and all. I'm really glad to welcome Mr. Sankar Narayan sir, founding member TNCCA psychologist, and our dear participants for the mental health webinar series organized by the Department of Psychology, the American College Madurai, in association with Madras School of Social Work, Chennai, MS Chalamuthu Institute of Mental Health and Rehabilitation, Madurai, Red Pond Educational and Psychological Research Center, Madurai, Psycho-Oncological Association, Turkey. We are in our 379th session today. The topic of the session is marketing. And now I request Dr. Chandra ma'am to introduce the speaker for the day.
Thank you, Akshaya. Sir, we are very happy to have you in today's session. And to introduce the speaker to the group, he is Mr. Shankar Narayanan, who is a certified psychologist and counselor. He has 5 years of practicing experience. He has got his PG in counseling psychology. Clinical psychology, specialized in guidance and counseling. He has also his diploma in depressive counseling. He is an active member of the Indian Psychological Association and also one of the founding members of Tamil Nadu Career Counselors Association. He has got experience in treating with depression and stress related things. So we are very happy to have you here, sir, and looking forward to listen to you on your thoughts about marketing. Thank you. And now the session is over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Am I audible? Oh, Chandra, ma'am.
Your voice is feeble, sir. Can you speak a little louder?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Now clear, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, I don't present in my laptop. I cannot that. Just I present in my mobile. I do with my mobile. So my voice is little slower.
Sorry, sir. We couldn't hear you.
Hello? Am I audible?
Can you speak again, sir? Sorry. Chandra ma'am,
I can hear both you and also Shankar Narayan sir's voice, Akshaya.
okay, kindly guide ma'am, because I just hear it very feeble.
Sir, can you please start talking, sir? Sir, can you hear me?
Am I audible?
Actually, I don't see his mic is working. Yeah,
Hello?
now you're audible, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I couldn't present with my laptop. I do with my mobile.
Problem, sir. At your ease.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Can I share the PPT?
Sir, please proceed.
Yeah.
Shankar Narayanan sir, I understand that you're using your mobile to present. If you have difficulties in sharing your PPT, please be comfortable
Yes.
with just talking, sir. We can share the PPT to the group later. It's up to you, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, thank you. Okay, I'll start my presentation. Share the PPT later. Okay, ma'am. Good evening to you all. This is a presentation title is marketing. May I know how much do you know about the marketing? Participant anyone? What is marketing? Can I tell
Participants,
anyone?
can you kindly unmute your mics to react to his question? Thank you. Sir wants to know what we all know about what is marketing. Any responses?
Yes.
Either by unmuting or in the chat box, please.
Okay, marketing means to sell a product. Anitha Ramachandran. Any other?
This is Chandra here. To me, marketing is the best way to showcase things, either it be a product or it be a person.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Its answer is acceptable. Marketing. Marketing is a process of moving goods from producer to consumer with an emphasis on sales and advertising. This is the definition of a marketing. Marketing. This word add in dictionary 1897. It's a term. This is a Latin word, marketus, meaning market, place, or merchant. (1873), Colgate. First, most productions are released in jar. (1890), replace the toothpaste tubes. Because jar to toothpaste tubes. 1890s. (1873), the most production the toothpaste. 1896, a jar replaced with tubes. 1986, fluoride added. 2006, just one plan, new plan, just mad. It's a Colgate. How the comparison? 1897 added the word in marketing in dictionary. But Colgate produced the most production in 1873. How is the comparison? How do you see this? Anyone? Understand the lecture?
Can you please repeat the
Chandraman?
question, sir?
1897, it's a marketing word added in dictionary. But 1873, it's a Colgate a most production released. How is the comparison? How do you see this? Understand this, Chandra ma'am?
Sir, you meant to say that marketing word was added to the dictionary in 1 year, and within few years, some product has hiked up, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So, what do we have to answer in this question, sir? You're asking about
Yeah. Marketing word added in dictionary 1897. So before 1873, so Colgate the most productions are released. Our marketing word added in later in dictionary. This
Sir,
comparison.
I think the
Yes.
word has created more awareness among people, and the people started to understand there is something really needed to take the products to the customers, not just have it in
Yes, ma'am.
shops.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. This is a marketing word awareness is very, very, very later. After that, added in the dictionary. Marketing, the father of modern marketing. His name is Philip Kotler. Philip Kotler, American marketing author, a consultant, and professor. So Philip quoted the definition of marketing. Science and art of exploring, creating, and delivering value to satisfy the needs of target market of the profit. Science and art of exploring, creating, and delivering value to satisfy the needs of target market at a profit. Marketing identifies the unfulfilled needs and desire. It defines, measure, and quantifies the size of the identify the market and the profit potential. The pinpoint which segments the companies are capable of serving the best and the design of the promotes and appropriate product and services. Philip Kotler marketing the identifies unfulfilled needs and desire. It's a definition of Philip Kotler. Can I explain in Tamil? Sundraman?
Sir, we have a multilingual group, sir, but you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
use Tamil then and there, and you can also do bilingual things, sir. You're okay to
Yes,
do
ma'am.
Tamil, but also the other people need to understand. So English is also important, sir.
Yeah, okay. Yes,
Thank
yes.
you, sir.
Yes, ma'am. தமிழ்ல சொல்ற அந்த ஒரு இலக்கு சந்தையின் தேவைகளை லாபத்தில் பூர்த்தி செய்ய மதிப்பை ஆராய்வது, உருவாக்குவது மற்றும் வழங்குவதற்கான அறிவியல் மற்றும் கலை. சந்தைப்படுத்துதல் நிறைவேறாத தேவைகளையும் விருப்பங்களையும் அடையாளம் காட்டுகிறது. இது அடையாளம் காட்டப்பட்ட சந்தையின் அளவு மற்றும் லாப திறனை வரையறுக்கிறது, அளவிடுகிறது. So definition of Philip Kotler, that in English, the science and art of exploring, creating, and delivering value to satisfy the needs of target market at a profit. Marketing identifies the unfulfilled needs and desires. It defines, measures, and quantifies the size of the identified market, a profit potential. It's a pinpoint which segments the company is capable of serving the best and designs, promotes the appropriate product and services. Next, marketing mix. So what is a marketing mix? Marketing is a concept of marketing management. Marketing mix is called concept of marketing management. It's a main aim of every business organization is to earn and maximize profits. Concentrate on 4 factors: product, place, promotion, price. It's known as a marketing mix. They're also known as the 4 P's of a marketing mix: product, place, promotion, and price. Make the product and showcase the place. And promotion, the fixed price. It's a 4 factor of marketing mix. That is called the 4 P's. After the next generation created a 7 P's. We know the 4 P's: product, place, price, promotion. Added a 3 factors in 7 P's: physical evidence, a process, and people. Four P's and 7 P's differentiates and 2 main types. 4 P's developed in 1960s. 7 P's developed in 1980s. Differentiate at 20 years. Marketing mix, the term developed by Neil Borden. First started using the phrase in 1949. The executive is a mixture of ingredients who sometimes follow a recipe as he goes along. Sometimes adapts a recipe to the ingredients immediately available and sometimes experiments with or invents ingredients and no one else has a trial. Marketing mix developed by Neil Borden in 1949. Jerome McCarthy. Food is another developer. Since 1960. Jerome McCarthy was the first person to suggest the 4 P's of marketing: price, promotion, product, a place, which consists the most common variables used in the constructing marketing mix. According to McCarthy, the marketers essentially have these 4 variables which they can use while crafting a marketing strategy and writing a marketing plan. In the long term, all 4 of the mix variables can be changed. But in the short time, it is difficult to modify the product or distribution channel. Albert Fry. Another set of marketing mix variables were developed Albert Fry to classify the marketing variables in 2 categories: offering and process variables. Offering consists of a product, a service, a packaging, brand, and price. Process or method variables include advertising, a promotion, a sales promotion, a personal selling, publicity, a distribution channels, a marketing research, a strategy formation, new product development. So Bernard Booms and Mary Bidner. Recently, Bernard Booms and Mary Bidner built a model consisting of 7 P's. In 1981, they added a people to the list of existing variables in order to recognize the importance of human element in all aspects of marketing. They added process to reflect the fact these services, unlike a physical products or experience as a process at the time that they are purchased. Desktop modeling tools such as a micro TSP have made this kind of statistical analysis a part of the mainstream now. Most advertising agency and strategy consulting firms offer MMM services to their clients. History of e-marketing. Fourth is a Dell marketing. You know the Neil Borden, Jerome McCarthy, this is a Philip Kotler, the 70 to 80s. The developers, old and new marketing techniques. The modern marketing triangle, 3 keys to success. Social, content, search. There's a 3 key to success. This is a marketing triangle. Social, content, search. Social. You know the social? Do you know anyone? Social, content, search. The 3 key to success. May I know what is social? Can you please answer anyone? Chandra ma'am?
Here.
May I know what is social?
So social is relating to a group of people or a community.
Yes, yeah. Yes, social media, just channels. It's a group of creating a community. That's the right answer, ma'am. Thank you. Social, a content and search. There's a 3 key to success. The basic of marketing principles. Digital marketing, 1990s. We entered the evolution of digital marketing, the TAM. Digital marketing was first invented and used in 1990s. Internet. First individual outside this organization were invented to join in 1994. The Netscape, the first successful mass market browser, was released. In 2 years after, the Netscape entered the public sphere. The number of people using the web grew from 16 to 70 million people. Netscape, the first mass market browser. In 1994. Invented in 1991. It was used in 1994. Digital revolution. Past 20 years, digital revolution is high. 2000, 132.2 million Americans and internet access. Same thing at 2011, 42% of the tablet owners them daily while they're watching TV. 2000 to 2011, people using the internet is a high. People with internet access worldwide. 2015 to 2018. In 2005, 1.02 BN. And 2018, 3.86 BN. Just online versus offline. What did you do offline marketing before using online? What is offline marketing?
Sir, marketer, I mean the marketing service officers, they went home to home, door to door canvassing, explaining the usefulness of the products and selling out, sir. That is one. And secondly,
Okay.
they had umbrellas near mall, I mean near bigger stores or malls, and you displayed the products there, and people
Okay.
visited those places and did marketing, or advertisements through TV or radio. That was one way of marketing.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is
Another
what
one
I
is a paper advertisement. Paper, just a poster. Do you know this? Yes, Chandra ma'am?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Papers always had advertisement, not just for products, for many more things. So I agree that paper
Yes.
was one of the source of advertising media.
Yes, ma'am. 1980 is a very, very rich advertisement in papers. Very big advertisements. Opportunities in papers only. Papers and posters. 1980s to 2000. We are using the advertisement in papers or poster. 1980s to 2000. It is offline marketing and advertisement. Now it's online. We all are online. What is now in online marketing? Any examples?
Participants, can you put your answers in the chat box, please? I can read that to the resource person.
What is online marketing?
Sir, online marketing to me means selling out stuffs using internet.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes. One of the answers is acceptable.
Or it includes, I don't know, sir. I'm just
Yes, ma'am.
aware of this.
Okay. Online. We all are in online. So Facebook, multi-million marketing. So one of the best marketing strategies of Facebook. Recently, Facebook uses, do you know? Hello, ma'am?
Sir, you are audible, sir.
Yes. Facebook is a big marketing. Hello? Yeah. Facebook and social medias saw big marketer and marketing. We all are a self-marketing. We know the Facebook account. So one of the marketers. We publish all details. Morning to evening. What are you doing? Which place we are? All the posts in the Facebook. All activities are post in Facebook. Search engine optimization. Do you know this? Do you know? Do you hear this word? Search engine optimization. SEO. How many of you know this word?
Yes.
Excuse me, Chandra ma'am. Any participant?
Here, sir, can I add my in that? So as you said that current thing for opportunities for marketing is on online only. I got on many opportunities because of social media and Facebook only. When I was posting some content, they contact me and they will invite me for their program. It is the best way we can do that. I think what you said is right. And search engine optimization, I hear, but I'm not aware about it in detail.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. That's right.
Search engine optimization to me is like improvisation of the site details to facilitate an easy search for the users.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, is all right.
So usually, when the technology began, it is that we have to type in length the full statement or whatever we wanted to search. But now,
Yes.
even if we put one word, it shows off all the search ideas that we wanted to search on that particular word. So I think this is
Yes.
the search engine optimization to me, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, is all right. Suresh is right, and Chandra ma'am is right. Search engine optimization. Yes, a simple example. Go to Google and search your one word. After then, whenever you go in Google, you can display the word in first. That is a search engine optimization. It's a strategy and a statistical tool of marketing organization. So one of the statistical tool, search engine optimization. So behavior analysis tool. While with your marketers, analysis is a statistical tool through. Search engine optimization. Search engine marketing. We know all. The Amazon app, it search in the search bar. What product we need. That is search engine marketing. SEM. So marketing strategy. First, a planning and management, offline integration, a traffic building and social media, optimization process, conversion analysis, so website design. So marketing strategy this. First one, so planning. How to make the product, how to sell, how employer, how many employer we here, So total process of a planning, producer to consumer, the product moving the goods from the producer to consumer. So total planning, a process planning and a cost estimations we call. So planning. Next, a management. To manage all areas: production, quantity and quality, just as staffs and traveling services. So total, all are the product, all product facilities to reach customers. That is the management. Planning and management. Two pillars of a marketing strategy. Marketing management. First, marketing auditing and marketing strategy development. So marketing planning, so marketing implementation, marketing performance evolution, so marketing best patterns. There is a process cycle of marketing management process. Social media marketing. So leading social media platform used by B2B and B2C. So marketers worldwide of marketing strategy by category wise. What are the categories are there? First, advertising, content marketing, directory optimization, email marketing, mobile usage, online display rating and reviews, search engine marketing, search engine optimization, social media, text messaging, your video marketing, your websites. So total marketing strategy. It's a category list. First, advertising, content marketing, directory optimization, which is email marketing, mobile usage, online display, so rating and reviews, search engine marketing, search engine optimization, social media, text messaging, a video marketing, and websites. 360-degree strategy. Same thing here. Marketing. So branding, video, so website, blogging, organic social media, Google, and content. 360-degree strategy. So branding, video, website, blogging, organic SEO, social media, Google, and content. Definition of branding. According to Philip Kotler, brand is a name, it's a term, a sign, symbol, and design. Combination of them intended to identify the one seller or group sellers to differentiate them from those of competitor. It's a term, sign, symbol, a design, or combination of them intended to identify the goods or services of one of sellers and to differentiate them from those of competitors. Branding is sellers promise to deliver a specific set of features, benefits and services consistent to the buyers. Branding is a seller promise to deliver a specific set of future benefits and services consistent to the buyers. So brand. Any example of a brand? Could you please tell me anyone?
Reebok shoes, sir. Adidas.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Samsung phone.
Uh,
Nokia,
wow.
Apple.
Wow. Okay, ma'am. Super. Thank you. Brand. Do you know the Nokia symbol?
Hands uniting, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
You're shaking
That is a
hands.
logo. Yes, ma'am.
What did
Yes.
you ask
Yeah.
for, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
What did you ask, sir?
Yeah, it's just a remember things. Doesn't just logo. Can you remember that? That's enough. That's ask the questions of logo design. Do you remember that enough? So brand, logo, identify the colors, marketing, and strategy. So brand, so name is a Nokia. So logo designs, hands unite. So identify. So both of them. So cell phone models as a buttons. That's identify phone. That's the colors. Which colors in Nokia phone? That's identify. So marketing and strategy. Name, a logo, identify, and colors. So brand. So brand creation strategy. Another we call the labeling analysis. So logo, it's a label. You see the toothpaste, it's a Colgate toothpaste, red background and white text. Image and graphics are purpose are clearly understand. Ingredients. Ingredients are clearly mentioned. A level of fluoride present. It's a warning, fluoride related warning for the use of kids. Manufacturing date, expiry date from the date of manufacture, batch number, importance of product recall, retail price, weight, barcode, a colored box and the tube, registered trademark and IDA certified authenticity, see water logo, increasing awareness about the global water shortages. Top 12 best mobile phone brands in the world. Know anyone? Top 12 best mobile phone brands in the world. Can you hear me, Santraman?
Sir, I will start with Apple. Sir, can you hear me?
Apple. Ah, yes, ma'am. Yeah, I hear you.
Nokia. Top 12 mobile brands only you are asking, right, sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Mobile brands.
Samsung?
2000, yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes is right answer. 2010 to 2020, Samsung is the best mobile phone brands in the world. Samsung. Okay, business strategy and 2021. Marketing, goals, document and tools, teamwork. So business strategy 2021. First, marketing. We know the marketing strategy. Next, goals. Next, SWOT analysis. Next, document plus tools. Next, teamwork. We know the SWOT analysis, strength and weakness and opportunity and threats. Best analysis method. It's a SWOT analysis. Marketing versus sales. Do you know the difference between the marketing between sales? Could you tell me the answer, anyone?
So
What's the
marketing
difference?
is promoting the product, sir. Selling is selling it off, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Marketing is a brand creation. Sales, a direct client contact. Sales one of the factor. Marketing is a branding. Sales is the one of the factor. KYC. Do you know the definition? KYC. How many of
Your
you
customer,
using
sir.
phone pay? Yeah. Tell me.
So is it know your customer?
KYC. Yes, ma'am. Yes, is right. Know your customer. What are you using? For what using the know your customer? Just identification. Just a verification. Who you are. Want to know the product and promoter. Need. All your details I want to know the promoters. That's a key strategy of a know your customer. That's profile creation. Or YC. Know the tag? Do you know the definition? Or YC. C.
Your customer.
Yes, ma'am?
Rate your customer.
Reach your customer.
Reach your customer. Okay, sir.
Okay, reach your customer. That is a formula of marketing. That is a simple formula, the reach your customer. Just all companies try to reach our customer. That is a marketing and marketing strategy. That is the introduction session. That's enough, ma'am. Yeah. Over to you, Chandra, ma'am.
Sir, have you done with the presentation, sir?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Is it done?
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for different
Thank you.
terms that you have introduced today to learn about marketing and important things one have to care for in knowing or buying the products. Thank you so much, sir. And now we have the time for discussing questions and answers. Participants, if you have any
Yeah,
point
yeah.
to discuss with the resource person, please or put your questions in the chat box. Any questions?
Even feedback and opinion comments also welcome. Sir, Muthu sir, you can begin, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir. Marketing is the area which is not much interesting to me. That's why I was only just listening today. It was very interesting presentation, but I couldn't interact much in this area. Extremely sorry, sir.
No problem, sir. Those are difficult times. So, yes, sir.
Sir, I think I have gone through your presentation. I think the slides and the style of presentation is amazing. And the pause, I think it's meant for the beginners who need to know that the particular content, the way in which you present is an amazing. This is my feedback for your session, sir. And I have gone
Thank you,
through
sir. Thank you.
the slides also. It is on sequencing, and you started with some research also, and how historically the marketing has an impacted on their product sell, on how they were in the minds unconsciously in almost all the human beings. And we may
Yes,
say
sir.
that that won't has any impact, but when you ask that what is the sign of Nokia, and it's the joining hands is a symbol that comes in our mind, and the color of everything, that geo means blue color, that comes in our mind. So the marketing, they made us to knowingly or unknowingly, we were aware about what kind of product, those things, and that inputs, I think you made an wonderful initiative and quality time for preparing the content. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Dr. Chandra, I request you can give the word of thanks, and then we will end the session today. We will meet tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Akshaya is there? Akshaya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Akshaya. I request you please do the vote of thanks for today's session, and we will meet tomorrow.
Thank you
Over to
for
you,
the
Dr.
opportunity, sir.
Akshaya.
Thank you. Mr. Sankarava Narayan sir had given a wide range of knowledge today. He has given a lot of terms, and there were a lot of interactions. He asked us a lot of questions, even though it was all new terminologies. We tried to somewhat guess, and there were answers given for those things. Thank you so much for giving us a wonderful opportunity to listen to your session, sir. Thank you so much. And
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
I,
you.
I thank on behalf of Dr. Suresh Kumar sir, the American College, Madurai, and all the associating institutions who are supporting the mental health webinar series. Thank you so much. We will meet again in the next session. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you to all.